Welcome with another Doordash video. And here I want to actually touch something that touched me very strongly to my nerve. And I hope this message gets attention and also gets addressed. I got a pickup as I was qualifying for Top Dasher. In that case, I had no choice but to take everything so I can raise my acceptance rate. So, as you guys can see, it's 60 items, Walmart groceries for 9.2 miles. On the 9.2 miles, that's about 19 miles round trip. It's pays out $3.75. So on a 9-mile trip and then actually going out of town, and I have to get back in town to get a next delivery, it takes a minimum of 20 minutes round trip. Also, takes about at least 5 minutes to wait and get loaded with 60 items, not one item, and at least 5 minutes to unload. In this situation, probably waited about 8 to 10 minutes before I left Walmart, but to unload, it took me more than 5 minutes. The guy parked the vehicle right at the entrance to his property. His home was at least 150 feet away from the entrance, so I had to walk these groceries to his house, to his porch, from the entrance of the property. He had, various different average, 2-3 day purchases, meats, dairy, produce, etc. It was all there. So I took at minimum at 20 minutes round trip, just at minimum, 5 minutes to load and 5 minutes to unload. That's minimum 10 minutes, which took me longer. And then I took the mileage of 19 miles because the round trip, 9.2 times 9.2 is 18.4, rounded off to 19. At 31 cents a mile, that's $5.89. And if you guys disagree with me on my vehicle expense at 31 cents a mile, please go ahead to episode 2 of Doordash and actually watch that video, because I can challenge every single one of you on vehicle expense. So we're gonna take minimum for time, and my time is at least $20 an hour, and majority drivers out there would agree that that would be a fair price. So that's half hour times $20. That comes out to $10, plus the $5.89 vehicle expense, because I'm not driving on horses, and even if I drew on horses, the horse still wants to eat. So we take the $10 plus $5.89 vehicle expense, we get to $15.89. This delivery should have been no less than $15.89. Now, we subtract the $3.75 that Doordash paid. That's a loss of $12.14. I want this to actually imprint to every single person in this country, every single executive in this country, the CEO of DoorDash and every other app out there, to the shareholders. The 12-14 loss, that's what you gained. My loss, your gain. If you're gonna use the system, if you're gonna use the Doordash app or any other app out there, remember, you are ripping off the people that provide service to you. If that service is not fair priced, think 3 times before using it. Because one day, a judgment day will come. And what you're going to say then? For all the debt that you created, that you owe to others, for taking advantage of them. This has to stop. Not 3 years from today. It has to stop yesterday. If you want to order from 3 different places and you're not able to tip, which I do not agree with, that you have to compensate the delivery fee with a tip, I don't consider this to be a fair, but we need to force these apps to become fair. Or at least compensate with a tip. I'm sorry. To be a humane, that means to be calm. I am not calm. I have crossed the bridge of being calm. You want to take advantage of me? I'll fight back. But I'll fight in a way that you're not going to be suspecting it. Besides what you see with your physical eyes, there's also an invisible world. Christians calls it spiritual world. And the time has came to stop abusing the little guy. Stop abusing the drivers. Or you will be paying for it. Because time has came to collect the debt. I don't care if you're gonna see this video or not. But time has came to collect. So, get your acts together quickly. Make it fair, or you will be collected upon. For the rest of you, be blessed.